It finally happened. Tesla just cracked open a secret the entire tech world swore wasn't ready yet. And the craziest part? It didn't come from a press event or a fancy reveal. It slipped out of Giga, Texas like a glitch in reality, and suddenly, everything changed. And here's where it gets even wilder. Because this leak didn't come from some random company. It came from the one automaker people said would never stop reinventing the entire industry. Elon Musk has always bragged loudly that Tesla is the most innovative car company on Earth. And honestly, look at the track record. Cybertruck's alien geometry, the Optimus robot walking around like it owns the place. The Cybercab, Robotaxi, even the Cybervan. Tesla doesn't build cars, it builds plot twists. Would you have expected anything less? But wait, here's the part that blew my mind. The flying car wasn't announced, it leaked. The leaked information was concealed within Giga, Texas production documents, nestled between future product lines and manufacturing maps. It was just there. It's like someone forgot to hide the biggest secret in Tesla history, and instantly, everyone started comparing it to Klein Vision's flying car, the one that already proved the concept works. Except this time, it wasn't a niche aviation company. This was Tesla, mass manufacturing territory. Can you imagine the shock? And just when it felt like the story couldn't get any more unreal, Tesla dropped the number nobody believed: $6,789. A flying car is cheaper than a basic smartphone on launch day. How? By ripping components straight from Tesla's EV lineup and skipping the insane R&D costs that crush every other aviation startup. They're basically saying the flying car will cost only 1/6 of a Model 3. I mean, seriously, if that number holds, would you not buy one just out of pure curiosity? Klein Vision's Air Car is often used as the benchmark because it proves a flying car can actually work in the real world. It runs on a gas-powered 280 to 340 horsepower engine and uses familiar car controls, making it easy for drivers to adapt. The wings stay hidden during road use and unfold in just 2 minutes when switching to flight mode. With a sporty aerodynamic body, 4-wheel stability, and a 26.9-foot wingspan, it reaches 124 miles per hour on the ground and 155 miles per hour in the air. It can fly up to 10,000 feet, travels 621 miles, and has logged 170-plus flight hours with over 500 successful takeoffs and landings. Tesla's approach is fundamentally different because the vehicle is expected to be fully electric, unlike Klein Vision's fuel-powered air car. This makes it ultra-quiet, ideal for cities, and completely emission-free, solving the pollution and noise problems that traditional aircraft face. The biggest challenge is achieving high energy output without making the vehicle too heavy, since battery weight drastically affects lift. Tesla's mastery of electric drivetrains, autonomous software, and AI-based stability systems makes this shift possible. The goal is to create a flying machine that is safe, efficient, and optimized for everyday urban travel rather than traditional long-distance aviation. Tesla's 4680 battery cells are the breakthrough technology that makes an electric flying car even remotely possible. With an energy density of around 300 watt-hours per kilogram, these cells deliver massive power while keeping weight low, one of the most critical requirements for flight. Their structural battery pack design also adds stiffness to the frame, reducing the need for heavy support materials. These cells can output short bursts of extremely high power, perfect for vertical lift and electric jet propulsion. Overall, 4,680 cells allow Tesla to achieve enough range, stability, and thrust capacity without turning the aircraft into an overweight energy sponge. Building Tesla's flying car is far more complex than simply attaching wings to a regular vehicle. It requires an entirely new aviation-grade structural design capable of handling aerodynamic stress, lift forces, and vertical thrust. Stability is another major factor. Flight demands advanced gyroscopic systems, real-time AI balancing, and multi-directional thrust control. Then comes safety. a flying vehicle must meet both automotive and aviation regulations, creating a completely new certification category. Aerodynamics must be perfected to minimize drag and maximize lift while still functioning as a road vehicle. Every system, battery, motors, cooling, sensors, must perform at aviation reliability standards. Tesla's flying car is expected to resemble a compact, futuristic version of the Tesla Roadster, blending sports car curves with SpaceX-grade engineering. The design avoids traditional helicopter-style propellers, instead using electric jet engines inspired by SpaceX thrusters for a smoother, quieter, and more efficient experience. Vertical takeoff and landing will work similarly to Falcon rockets, allowing the vehicle to rise straight up without needing a runway. The overall look will combine aerodynamics, lightweight composites, hidden wing surfaces, and Tesla's clean minimalist style. The goal is a sleek, premium-looking aircraft car hybrid that feels more like the future than a modified car. Tesla's flying car uses an ultralight structure built from aluminum and carbon fiber, keeping the body strong yet incredibly light for efficient lift. It features sleek gull-wing doors that open upward, giving it a futuristic look. The wheels retract to reduce drag during flight, improving aerodynamics. The transformation process takes just 90 seconds. Bird-like wings unfold from the sides, a rear stabilizer extends for balance, and the electric jet propulsion system activates. The entire mechanism is automated, allowing seamless switching between ground and flight mode with minimal user input, similar to how SpaceX stages rockets. Tesla's flying car, designed for terrestrial use, operates like an electric sports car with top-class performance. The flying car has double electric motors as its power source, which provides very high torque instantly, resulting in the car getting from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 3.9 seconds. The car is capable of fully utilizing Tesla Autopilot, which means it can drive itself without any input from the driver and is equipped with the safety features of navigation, lane keeping, etc. The car still makes use of Tesla's supercharger network so that the owners can recharge it anywhere without the installation of any special infrastructure. The flying car, which can fly, still prefers going on the ground, where it can operate in a smooth, efficient, and practical manner with the same intelligence features and connectivity as the other Tesla cars. Tesla's flying car was designed with safety being the most important factor, which resulted in a number of innovations at the level of aviation. The car is provided with a parachute for the whole body that can open up in case of an emergency, and that would guarantee a controlled fall. Furthermore, Tesla uses landing cat paws with air pads, which are soft inflatable pads that soak up the impact during rough landings. The small motors instead of one big motor for the craft are also the main reason why these motors are easy to replace and safe if one of the motors fails. Ducts carrying current are made thinner, thus decreasing weight without power flow being affected. Electronic speed drivers are stable and keep thrust levels uniform. Even if one motor suddenly stops, the aircraft will still be able to fly with a backup thrust system that guarantees it to always have stability and control. In the air, the Tesla flying car reaches extraordinary levels of performance. It is expected to reach a maximum speed of 248 miles per hour, which is faster than most presently existing eVTOL aircraft. One complete charge will allow the vehicle to fly approximately 300 miles when it comes to intercity trips. To further explain its safety aspect, it has electric fans hidden away, ducted, rather than open rotors, which makes it significantly safer and quieter in the air. This design makes it suitable for urban areas where traditional propellers are too loud or dangerous. The electric jet-like propulsion system ensures smooth, stable flight and enables vertical takeoff and landing without requiring a runway. Every aspect supports clean, quiet, urban-friendly aviation. Giga, Texas, has been selected as the primary hub for producing Tesla's flying car due to its massive scale and advanced manufacturing capabilities. The factory includes a dedicated virtual flight testing center that handles full aerodynamic simulations, stress testing of lift fans, and AI-driven flight scenarios that mimic real-world conditions. These digital tests drastically reduce development costs and speed up refinement of the aircraft's structure and propulsion. Advanced robotics and Giga casting allow the precise production of lightweight components needed for flight. By centralizing manufacturing and simulation in one location, Tesla can streamline development and push the flying car toward faster mass production. Tesla's flying car timeline looks ambitious, with a prototype rumored for next year if internal testing stays on track. But history reminds everyone to be cautious. Just look at the Cybertruck, which arrived years behind schedule. Early mass production is expected to roll out later, once regulatory approvals and safety certifications catch up. Realistically, we might see the first Tesla flying cars in actual city environments around 2026. Widespread adoption, where these become as common as regular EVs, probably won't happen until closer to 2030, once infrastructure, training, and cost barriers finally begin to level out. If Tesla nails this concept, the impact could be massive. Flying cars wouldn't just be a cool feature, they could become everyday transportation. Imagine mini flight stations replacing crowded highways, letting people take off and land point to point with zero traffic. Commutes that once took hours could drop to minutes. It could reshape how cities are designed: fewer roads, more vertical hubs, cleaner skies, and quieter air mobility. The entire idea of traveling from A to B would shift from ground routes to 3D movement in the air. It's the kind of shift that only happens once every few generations. Tesla's bold $6,789 price target is the biggest obstacle. To even get close, they need aluminum-ion batteries, which are cheaper and lighter than today's lithium options. They also have to cut costs on ultralight materials, push down lift fan engine prices, and simplify the mechanical systems so they're easy to build at scale. But cost isn't the only battle. The flying car must pass strict global aviation approvals and prove reliable autonomous control in complex 3D environments. Add crash tests, extreme weather testing, and long-duration flight trials, and it becomes one of Tesla's toughest engineering challenges ever. If Tesla actually brings this to life, it could trigger the next transportation revolution. This isn't just another product launch. It's the doorway to a future where flying robo-taxis zip across cities and personal flight becomes something normal people use every day. The tech, the design, the price target, it all sounds impossible until Tesla pushes it forward, just like it did with EVs. And if this flying car hits the market the way they promise, it could change how the world moves forever.